am Supermodel Mikai, and of course, this is my first video ever, and I have no makeup on. Exciting, but hey, natural beauty, you know. This year, I applied to Shea Moisture to become a SheaBassador Class of 2018 Team Ambassador. So, I was selected. So yay, I'm so happy about that. And every month, the Shea Ambassadors receive a box each month of different products that we will have to evaluate and just give our honest reviews on the products. And I've honestly been a Shea Moisture product fan forever. Like, that's the only brand that I recommend to anyone. Anyone who asks me about my natural hair, my skincare regimen, I always recommend Shea Moisture. This month for March, I received a Shea Moisture box for skincare. So here is the packet or the instructions they gave us of exactly how to use the product. And yeah, it's very self-explanatory. So we have our first product here. So you can see that. It's the Bamboo Charcoal Detoxifying Foaming Facial Wash. I love. It's very soft, very soothing to the skin. It's very gentle, but it has aloe in it, so you can definitely feel the product working. And also, we have here the Bamboo Charcoal Hydrating Jelly Moisturizer. I believe I'm saying that correctly. This is what we use after we wash our skin and we apply the moisturizer to our skin. Of course, when your skin is dry, so you want to make sure that you have that moisturizer. And also, we have our body scrub. So Shea Moisture Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub. And it's very smooth. It's not as harsh as typical body scrubs, which I really enjoy. So if you want a coarse body scrub, I wouldn't recommend the Shea Moisture Bamboo Charcoal. This is very gentle, very, very, very gentle on the skin. So my skin is very dry and very sensitive. So this is actually perfect for my skin. So if you're wanting a more harsh, coarse body scrub, I would not recommend the Shea Moisture Body Charcoal, the Bamboo Charcoal. I would definitely recommend this if you're looking for a very smooth body scrub for your skin. So I'm going to demonstrate the foaming facial wash that I use. I love it. Very nice, very nice. And it's actually a foam, which is very different from what I'm used to using, so it's very gentle. And also, we received a headband, a Shea Moisture headband. Basically, we're using this so, you know, when our baby hairs are laid and we don't want to mess up the baby hairs and the fresh crochets and the fresh natural dews, you know. So we're gonna put this on our head, of course, to cover those baby hairs. It's important. All hairs. So we're gonna get it started. So, my bamboo charcoal detoxifying foam wash, very gentle for the skin, activating it by shaking it, and it is absolutely amazing with aloe. It's very natural, no artificial preservatives, everything. Amazing. And then also I followed up with my GELEE moisturizer. So my bamboo charcoal GELEE moisturizer. Love. So tender on the skin with aloe as well. And it's just, the skin is just tight and just so refreshed. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Then of course with the body scrub, I only gave you a sample. The bamboo charcoal body scrub, amazing. Thank you, Shea Moisture. I really appreciate this month, especially for my skincare. I love all of your products, and I cannot wait for next month. Next month, yes, yes. I'm excited. I'm so happy. Thank you, Shea Moisture, for this box and for myself of being a SheaBassador Class of 2018. I'm so excited, and I cannot wait to see what I receive next month. And I will definitely be showing my reviews out to you. Thank you guys for watching. I am Supermodel Mikai, and please subscribe to my videos and just keep up. Just keep up. All right, thank you guys.